Okay, in this video I'm going to share to you about SketchUp tools explain. This is for the beginner, so you can learn. Okay, I use the SketchUp 20 and 24, and I will share to you about the tools. There is a left sidebar, and this is the top toolbars in here, and this is about the right toolbars in here, and there is tools in here for the drawing. For example, I will use the pen, the line in here. Okay, then I can draw the line in here. Okay, then I can draw the line by following the axis in here. Okay, this is for example. So if you press the shift button on keyboard, it will be straight forward in here, and you can easily connect with the starting line in here. So this is the result if you use the line tools. This is the line tools in here. Okay, and then after the line, okay, this is about the push tool. Okay, this is about the push tool. You can click this push tool, and you can click the surfaces in here, and just click once. Okay, and so you can freely push it up or push it down in here, and it's depend on your needs anyway. For example, we can drag to the upper position in here with the any size. So if you want to set the distance, you can type the any size, but anyway I use the millimeter. So for example, I type 500 millimeter and press enter, and it will be automatically being a solid group in here. This is a solid object in here. Okay, and after that this is still on the exploded mode of this 3D. This is still exploded mode, so we can select all. We can select all from the top left and until to the bottom right, just like this, and right click, and now we can make the group in here. Okay, we can make the group. Okay, and or I undo this one, or I will explode this one. So the second way is we can triple click this one. Okay, we can just triple click with high speed click, with high speed left click in here. You can triple click and right click, and also make group in here. So there is a difference between the make group and also component. So this is the group. Okay, this is the group. I will select, this is the move. Okay, this is the move, and we can click this object in here, and then now we can move for anywhere in here, and then now we can duplicate by type control on our keyboard in here. So it will be a duplicate just like this. But if we we modify about the object, the ones of this object, if we modify, so it cannot generate for the another object anyway. So this is the difference about the group, and this is about the component. We can click and select move, click this one and tap control. Okay, and then place. Okay, now we can click and select move, tap control. Sorry, we can right click and make component. Okay, then now we can give the name of the component. We give the name the L box. Okay, this is the L box, and just create. Okay, then now we can select move, tap control, click, and also place the position in here. And so okay, this is about the component. So if we make something, if we push this one, it will be push also with the previous object. So this is the difference, and this is, it's just grouping in here, it's just grouping, and this is about the component. And now we can push it up in here. Okay, so this is very basic. And so if we want to make the dimension, so we can click the dimension in here. We can click dimension, click, and okay, now we can see about the dimension by clicking the from the corner and until to the corner in here. So this is the dimension tools in here. This is the dimension tools in here. So if we want to assign the materials, about the materials, we can choose the right side button the right side tray in here. So we can see about the materials tab in here. We can click the materials, okay, and it will appear the options, a lot of options of materials. For example, there is several option for the materials category, and for example we can choose the materials, we can choose the asphalt, okay, or concrete. Then now we can click this one, and now we can assign about the materials, and it will be automatically define about the materials in here, okay. And then for the another example, so if we click this one, and now we can modify with line in here. We can separate the surfaces with line in here, so it has the two part of the surfaces, because we have already defined with line tools in here. So for example, if we make the wood in here with materials, so we divide into the flooring materials, for example, so it will be just selected on the surfaces only in here. And of course we can also click and assign this material, so we can divide the two surface of these materials in here. Okay, so this is about the little bits example for the materials in here. And for the another example, if we want to duplicate about the existing materials in here, we can use the materials tools. We can click the sample pane, okay, and then now we can click this the materials as we want. We can click this one, and now we can assign with this one, okay, we can assign. So this is for example, if we want to duplicate about the existing materials to the another 3D object in here, okay. And after that I will show you about the another tools. So there is a circle, okay. For example, we can select the circle, then now we can click with any position in here, okay. We can set the radius. We can set the radius 1 meter or 1000 millimeter in here, okay. Then now we can click the surfaces and select push pull. We can also select push pull and click and push it up in here, okay. Or now we can click the surface. We can use the offset tool, okay. This is the offset tool, and click this edge and offset it inside in here, okay. So it has the offset area in here. There is outside and this is inside. So if we want to delete this surface, we can just click the surface and right click and select the erase in here, or we can click and press delete on our keyboard in here. Then now we can click the surfaces and select push pull, okay. Now we can push it up in here. So this is the object, okay. Then now we can triple click as usual, right click, and also make group in here, okay. And after that, now we can see about the exploration, about the a little bit exploration about the materials in here. And now we can make the polygon in here. We can make the polygon. We can click, okay. Now we can set to the another side in here. We can set up with the radius, for example 1 meter, and enter in here, then click. And now we can select push pull and push it up in here, just like this. Or we can just click this one and just select offset. We can offset it inside a little bit in here. Then now we can click the surface and click to push and push it down until to the position, okay, just like this. Then now we can triple click, right click, and also make group. So this is about the exploration about the polygon design in here. So if we want to make the triangle, okay, we can click the three side and enter, and it will be a triangle automatically, okay. Then now we can determine about the radius. It's around 1.4, okay. Then now we can click and select push pull and push it up until to the position in here. And then now we can triple click, right click, and also make group. So and then now we can assign about the color, okay. We can assign about the color with the unique color maybe, or we can use this one in here to make it more representative. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit of you about the SketchUp tools explanation. Thank you very much.